In this video, I will show you how to translate I love you in different languages using Filmora. Let's dive into this video. This is Filmora 13 beta and I'm using the titles to choose this neon title, and I'm just going to grab it and put it onto the timeline. Select the text and I'm going to change it to, and let's adjust this. It's a little bit too big. I'm going to position it something like this. Now, in order to use translation with the text selected, head on over to your menu right at the top of the timeline and click on it, and you have this pop-up window and you can select your source language, in this case which is English US, and your target language. Now the languages here are several, it is not complete, but let's try say Chinese, Taiwan one, alright, and you click on translate. It will take a few seconds for Filmora to create this. Once it's done, you can just close the window and you can see the text here. Right now, if you want to double check it, you can just double click and you have something like a subtitle. If you check this word in Google Translate, it is correct. It is the Chinese translation of 我爱你. Let's do this. I love you. So the translation is correct. Now I have checked with somebody who knows Chinese, and this is the correct one, I assure you. So let's try another one. You can select different languages as well and just click on OK. Now if you want to make your this title a bit larger, you can do so. You can just head on over to the top here and say scroll down, and you can see it bigger over here. Okay, let's just save it and leave it as it is. Now, so this one, Filmora automatically puts it as if it is a translation. Now I'm going to hide the track. I'm going to select back the same title here and do the same as well. Click on AI translation. Let's choose another one. Now let's choose Chinese, which is in Hong Kong, which is actually in my country we call it Cantonese, and you can translate it. A few seconds, alright, and it's done. And since I've hidden this, so this translation is a little bit different because it is not Mandarin, and let's just double click on it. Okay, and let's make it bigger. Okay, if you copy it and you put it into Google Translate, this is what you will get. Now this is, it is still I love you in English, but in Cantonese it is 我中意你, which is actually, if you translate it, it is it has two meaning. You can have say I like you, as it is can be translated as I like you, or it can be translated as I love you as well. Okay, so it's 我中意你. This is Cantonese. Alright, let's try Indonesian. Okay, and it takes some points, or rather some credits to do this. Okay, so let's translate this. Complete. Aku mencintaimu. Okay, this is correct. I know Malay, which is in some ways quite close to Indonesian, and that's how you do this translation. Hope that you like this video. Do give it a thumbs up if you find it useful, and check out what's on the screen right now for the next Filmora tip.